Welcome to Pipex.ai. Step number 1, click on Seller to sign up. Step number 2, fill the required details and click on Sign up. Step number 3, verify the email. Step number 4, once your email verify. Click on Company Setting and go to Company Profile. Step number 5, check the basic company information. Step number 6, fill the address information. Step number 7, upload company logo and cover image as per required resolution. Step number 8, fill the other company information. Step number 9, fill the business stats. Step number 10, fill the business operations details. Step number 11, upload company gallery images and client's logo as per given resolution. Step number 12, upload cover image and upload catalog as per given resolution. Step number 13, fill the team information and upload employee image. Step number 14, upload certificate detail and upload its cover image and upload certificate PDF. Now click on Saved and your profile successfully updated. Once you fill all the details, the progress bar will goes to 90 to 95% up.